there! Today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited stuff in Whiteout Survival using nothing more than a promo code. I'm showing you the new method for this Whiteout Survival trick. So let's get straight into the video. This is not one promo code for one guy that watches my video. Everyone gets their own. It's through a website I found. It's super cool. And that's how I became the richest Whiteout Survivor player. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's time to take back the Whiteout Survival scene. No longer are we going to pay for in-app purchases. We're going to become top dogs, and we're going to use this promo code to get unlimited stuff. Hey guys, check me out. Look how much I got. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You can see I got 93,000 right there. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site. And once you're there, guys, go to the search bar and type in Whiteout Survival. So as you can see, it says Whiteout Survival right there. So what we're going to do is press on it. And this might feel to you like it's a mod, but it's not. It's just a promo code. So they're going to ask for your email address so they can send it to you. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and load up. Alright, and let's just give it a minute. Alright, should be pretty fast, you know. Nothing too crazy. So anyway, guys, now it's going to ask for the email address. Yeah, as you can see, it says activating reward. So let's just let this load here, as you can see. Alright, so email confirmed. Like, this is super cool, guys. So let's just wait for this to load. You can see it says generating your reward. So at this point, it is going to ask you for some information. So you just got to fill this out and then press continue at the end. And then once you do that, like, it's going to say, do you want your gift card texted to you? Just press no thanks. And yeah, so now we're just doing this. We're going to do the survey right here, which is a really easy survey. And once you finish the survey, just press I agree and continue. And now you should get your promo code. So peace out, guys. This actually works and is super cool. As you can see, I'm pretty rich in Whiteout Survival, don't you think? So yeah, this actually works, guys. If this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you later. But I personally looked all over the internet for these promo codes, couldn't find anything. But now with this new one I found, it actually works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, but this is super cool. And you don't have to do anything too goofy, so I'll see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel. This is super insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, it works fine for me. I haven't had to do anything too strange. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. And peace out.